How's it going, YouTube? This is Apple's 4th generation Apple Watch. This quick unboxing showcase, you got 2 straps for different wrist sizes, so if you got a monster wrist, and the straps feel really nice and high quality. The heart, brain, and soul is kept in a little pouch. It's comfortable, it's like a microfiber cloth, and nice glossy finish, like it's a little hefty feel to it. And you can see that it's ceramic and aluminum, so you get a beautiful device. And when it comes to the straps, they slide in ever so smoothly with a satisfying click. Quick, simple, and elegant. It blends so well with the center. And if you haven't noticed, I wear an Android watch. It is made by Huawei. You can see the comparison size to it. I'm a big fan of digital watches looking like actual watches. But honestly, the Apple Watch is on its own league. The software works perfect for iOS, but we'll get into that later. I also like the fact how easy it will be to charge your Apple Watch. It's not a long cable, but we can manage, and a nice little film protection all over everything. And now, let's give it a quick power on, and wow, the inky blacks, it's an AMOLED screen, and that's the type of screen tech you want on your watch. Easy instructions, all you gotta do is bring your iPhone together. The Apple Watch will not work with Android. Unlike Android Wear, it does work with iOS. Here's a quick demonstration how you'll charge your watch. Just set it and forget it. Of course, the setup is simple, just go through it. You'll have to go back and forth with your iPhone to your watch, give it permissions, set settings. And wow, how responsive is this? It is so fast feeling. I like it. Obviously, we have a touchscreen here, but you'll use the crown mostly, so you can zoom into apps just like that, and you can navigate and keep zooming into apps as well. So I like that integration of how zoomy it is. It's a great looking watch. I really like it. So there you guys have it. This is a quick unboxing and showcase. So if you're picking up an Apple Watch, I'll be able to do accessories, other bands, apps, revolving the addition of Apple products. My channel will go through a big change, and I will announce it soon. Just be prepared for Apple ecosystem to live beside Android here on this channel. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you guys next time. Later.